dreaming of joining the company that powers countless workflows? Let's unlock the secrets to getting hired by Zapier. Landing a job at a leading automation platform like Zapier isn't just about having the right technical skills. It's about demonstrating a mindset geared towards efficiency and problem-solving today. We're breaking down how to shine in their competitive hiring landscape. First, understand Zapier's culture. They highly value autonomy, transparency, and a user-centric approach. Think about how your past experiences reflect these qualities. For instance, did you independently tackle a complex project without constant supervision? Did you proactively seek feedback to improve a process? Next, let's talk about the application process. Your resume and cover letter are your first impressions. Don't just list your duties. Highlight your achievements, especially anything related to automation or improving efficiency. Quantify your impact whenever possible. Did you reduce a process time by 20%? Did you implement a new system that saved X hours per week? Crucially, showcase your automation expertise even if you haven't directly used Zapier before. Highlight any experience with similar tools, scripting, or process mapping. Think about times you've built workflows, integrated different software, or found creative ways to make tasks run more smoothly. This demonstrates you understand the core principles. Problem-solving is another key ingredient. Zapier is all about fixing inefficiencies in your application and interviews. Be ready to discuss challenges you've faced and how you've approached them. Did you analyze a bottleneck? Did you devise a step-by-step solution? The ability to clearly articulate your thought process is vital. During interviews, enthusiasm for efficiency should be palpable. Talk about how you naturally look for ways to optimize tasks. Share your passion for how technology can simplify work and free up time for more meaningful endeavors. This genuine interest is incredibly attractive to Zapier. To stand out, consider creating a personal project that showcases your skills. Perhaps build a simple workflow that automates a repetitive task you encounter daily, and be prepared to explain it. This proactive approach speaks volumes about your initiative and understanding of Zapier's mission. By focusing on culture fit, highlighting your automation wins, and demonstrating your analytical and problem-solving prowess, you'll be well on your way to securing that rewarding career in the tech industry with Zapier.